Today we'll integrate the energy of the third major arcana of tarot, the Empress. This card represents fertility, creativity, abundance, connection with nature, and feminine power to manifest with love and purpose. It symbolizes the ability to nurture, create, and transform. The goal is to integrate all the Empress's qualities so they manifest in your life in a balanced, expansive way. Listen to this strengthening for 7 days before moving to the next arcana. Let's connect with the essence of the Empress. Be strong to want, desire, and need to be the creator and nurturer of your own life. Be strong to see, recognize, and integrate the abundance around you into your awareness. Be strong to manifest with love, sensitivity, and creativity. Let's remove all weaknesses that block this energy from flowing freely in you. Strengthen all inherent qualities, both conscious and subconscious, to boost your well-being. Empower yourself to live from your personal strength, self-love, and connection to abundance. Let's remove past blockages and ties that hinder your creativity and fertility. I'm enhancing and expanding your creative capacity, boosting your power, speed, and clarity in manifesting your desires, erasing experiences and beliefs that made you doubt your creativity or abilities. We're unlocking energy trapped by fear of failure, criticism, or comparison, clearing away fears that block you from manifesting what you truly want, opening your heart to receive inspiration and create freely, strengthening your commitment to your own deepest desires, powerful release of programmed, implanted, and repressed desires. Erasing self-love barriers to abundance in both directions, strengthening unconditional self-love, deepening awareness of your infinite inner abundance daily, eliminating weaknesses tied to lack, scarcity, and unworthiness, erasing neural patterns that sustain these limiting thoughts, boosting self-worth and ability to receive abundance in all areas. Embracing abundance in love, money, health, and well-being. Reinforcing gratitude for existing blessings in your life. Allowing gratitude to attract more abundance and love to you. Accepting that it's possible for you too, that you also you deserve it. You can write a new destiny where abundance, self-love, and positive experiences align with your vibration. Be strong so that, like an empress, you can nurture all you touch. We boost your self-care skills from physical to emotional, mental, and spiritual. We remove limiting beliefs that hinder self-care or prioritize others over you. We'll clear any guilt for setting boundaries or taking time for yourself. We strengthen your body connection to hear and lovingly meet your needs. I deepen your connection with nature and life's cycles. strong enough to accept, admit, and recognize all processes, changes, and cycles. We strengthen your connection with earth, water, air, and fire, fortifying the connection with the renewal energy these elements bring. Let's eliminate any weakness related to the fear of change. We erase rigidity and resistance to life's natural cycles. I empower you to flow with cycles of growth, renewal, and transformation. Strong enough to accept each stage as part of your evolution. We balance giving and receiving, centering both processes. Strong enough to give love, support, and understanding. Strong enough to receive love, support, and understanding. We'll remove blocks to receiving with gratitude and joy and any unworthiness. We separate you from those with these weaknesses, erasing human limits 100% of the time. We boost your ability to give unconditionally from love and abundance and receive with equal openness. We reinforce the perfect balance between giving and receiving. Stay centered, balanced, and stable without excess or lack. Empower yourself to create harmonious and balanced relationships in your life. We strengthen your intuition and feminine energy power, regardless of your gender. We enhance your ability to feel, perceive, and intuit. Empower yourself with wisdom, application, and knowledge of feminine power. We'll strengthen your intuition to follow your inner voice with clarity and confidence. We'll clear doubts about trusting your intuition and remove the need for external validation. We enhance your ability to tap into inner feminine wisdom, regardless of gender, to create from a place of love, balance, and harmony. We amplify manifestation and creation from the heart's energy, empowering you to create like an empress with love and heart connection. Will boost your ability to manifest desires, projects, and dreams through love and alignment with your life's purpose. Will remove doubts about your manifesting power, like fear of rejection, criticism, or lack of self-confidence. We reinforce your manifestation power and ability to joyfully create the life you desire. We balance your feminine and masculine energies. We strengthen feminine creativity and nurturing with masculine action and direction. We balance your feminine and masculine energies, enabling you to act with clarity, certainty, and determination. Empowering you to create from love, intuition, and the wisdom of your feminine side. Strengthening your sense of completeness, knowing all you need is within you. We remove feelings of emptiness or lack, boosting energy for growth and flourishing, enhancing the Empress energy to fill you with love, abundance, and joy, nurturing your goals. We strengthen all aspects of these energy geometries to 100% with infinite potential. Erasing all weaknesses to zero minus infinity, continuously with finite time. Resetting, recalibrating, and reprogramming your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? The same or different?